Are you tired of downloading files on MovieBox only to find out that they are not showing up in your phone gallery? Android new storage restriction actually makes it impossible to find your own data sometimes. But in today's video, I'm going to simply show you exactly how you can actually locate your local storage folder using your file manager safely and legally. But before we start, I want you to understand that this video is for educational purpose only, to help you to manage your device internal storage. We are not promoting piracy or bypassing any app terms of service. So guys, let's dive right into the video. But first, if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. It's really going to help. Here on your device, the first step you need to take here is to go to your file manager app. You can actually go to your file app like this. If you don't have the file app on your device, you can simply go to your Play Store or App Store and get it from there. This is the file app I'm using. So after installing it on your device, you need to go ahead and click on open and open the file app like this. So the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on Android. Then go ahead and click on data. Once you do that, the next step you need to take here is to scroll gently and look for where you can see com.community. Once you do that, go ahead and click on files like this and click on download. Then click on D. So this is where your media files are stored. In order for you to see them in your gallery, you simply need to go ahead and tap on them, click on the three dot icon at the top right corner and move them to any other folder, and it is going to appear on your phone gallery. So that's it. Your files are now visible in your gallery. If this troubleshooting guide actually helped you to save time, please do well to hit the like button, subscribe to App Fix and In for more daily tech fix. See you in the next one.